In this video, we listed the 5 best drone under $100 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. L600 PRO MAX Drone. The L600 PRO MAX is a versatile drone designed for users of all skill levels, from beginners to experts, offering a wide range of features for both indoor and outdoor use. With a compact size of 423,610 centimeters and weighing 330 g, this drone boasts a 3-axis gimbal-mounted 4K UHD camera for high-quality video capture. It features a flight time of 20 minutes and a remote distance of up to 3000 m, controlled via a 6-channel controller with a 7V 400 mAh battery. The drone is equipped with brushless motors and an electric power adjustment of 30A, ensuring stable and efficient flight performance. The L600 PRO MAX supports various features such as app-controlled operation, auto return, follow me mode, FPV capability, GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance, and Wi-Fi connectivity. It comes ready to go in a package that includes the original box and is made of durable plastic material. Certified with CE standards and originating from mainland China, this drone is suitable for aerial photography and offers hand gesture shooting video recognition within a range of 1-3 meters, catering to users aged 14 and above. Number 2. L900 PRO SE MAX GPS Drone. The L900 PRO SE MAX is a feature-rich drone suitable for users of all skill levels, from beginners to experts, with a focus on indoor and outdoor versatility. Weighing 242.6 g and measuring 29.5 centimeters, this drone is equipped with a brushless motor and offers a flight time of 20 minutes, controlled by a 4-channel controller powered by a 7V 350 mAh battery. It features a 4K UHD camera for high-resolution video capture and a remote distance of up to 1200. The drone supports various functions such as app-controlled operation, auto return, follow me mode, FPV capability, GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Certified with CE standards and originating from mainland China, the L900 PRO SE MAX is designed for aerial photography and comes ready to go in the original box, constructed from durable plastic material. Suitable for users aged 14 and above, this drone offers quick charging times of about 2 hours and is ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage with its advanced features. Number 3. S2S Mini Drone. The S2S helicopter drone by HKDA is a versatile and user-friendly drone suitable for beginners, intermediate, and expert operators, designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Weighing 196 g and measuring 27.227 cm, this drone features a brushless motor and offers a flight time of 20 minutes. It comes with a 4-channel controller powered by AA*3 batteries and supports both Mode 1 and Mode 2 controller modes. The drone is equipped with a 4K UHD, 8K UHD, and 6K UHD camera for high-resolution video capture, suitable for aerial photography. It includes features such as app-controlled operation, auto return, follow me mode, FPV capability, obstacle avoidance, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Certified with CE standards and originating from mainland China, the S2S drone is ready to go out of the box, made of durable plastic material, and includes a range of 100 mAh for remote control. The drone has a quick charging time of 120 minutes and is recommended for users aged 14 and above. With its compact size and advanced features, the S2S drone is an ideal choice for capturing stunning aerial footage with ease. Number 4. K911 MAX GPS RC Drone. The K911/K911 MAX Drone by EC Toy is a versatile and advanced drone suitable for beginners, designed for both indoor and outdoor use. With a main material composition of ABS/metal/electronic components, this drone features a 1503 brushless motor and offers a remote control distance of 1200 ms on a 2.4 GHz frequency. The drone boasts functions such as 360 degrees all-round laser obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning combined with optical flow positioning, and 8K pixel resolution with ESC continuously adjustable 90-degree camera and 7 levels of wind resistance. Equipped with a 4V 2500 mAh battery, the drone provides a flight time of about 25 minutes and supports 5G high-definition image transmission. Additional features include low power return, one-key return, intelligent following, gesture photography, video recording, 50x zoom, fixed point surrounding, and dual camera switching. The drone comes with a comprehensive packing list including the drone itself, remote control, storage bag, manual, screwdriver, spare fan blades, USB charging cable, and body battery. Certified with 3C standards and originating from mainland China, the K911/K911 MAX Drone is ready to go out of the box, made of resin, carbon fiber, and plastic materials, and is recommended for users aged 14 and above. With its innovative features and high-quality build, this drone is ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage with ease. Number 5. S1S8K Drone. The DixSG camera drone is a high-performance aerial photography drone designed for capturing stunning footage with precision and clarity. With a maximum wind speed resistance of 10 km/h and a maximum takeoff weight of 1 kg, this drone is equipped with a range of advanced features. The drone boasts an 8K video resolution, 7680*4320 pixels, with electronic image stabilization, providing smooth and high-quality footage. It operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, weighs 500 g, and offers a flight time of 15 minutes with a transmission range of 10 km. The drone features a sensing system with upward, downward, forward, backward, and complete omnidirectional capabilities, along with FPV operation for real-time viewing. With a fixed camera mount and connectivity to a remote control with 6 channels, this drone is suitable for aerial photography enthusiasts. The DixSG drone is made by a brand originating from mainland China and is certified with CE standards. It does not have GPS functionality but offers a sensor size of 1/2, 3 inches, and supports optical zoom with fixed focus. With features like 4K and 8K HD video recording, this drone is a versatile option for capturing breathtaking aerial shots.